Hey everyone, today I'm talking about something super important, how to spot and avoid fake tech support scams. These scams can really catch you off guard, so it's crucial to know what to look for. First off, let's talk about unsolicited calls and pop-ups. If you get a random phone call or a pop-up on your computer saying there's an urgent problem, be skeptical. Real tech companies like Microsoft or Apple don't usually make unsolicited calls. If someone calls you out of the blue, claiming to be from tech support, hang up immediately. Next, let's discuss scare tactics. Scammers often use scare tactics to make you believe your device is in serious trouble. They'll tell you your computer has a virus or that your personal information is at risk. Don't fall for it. Instead, take a deep breath and think logically. Does the message seem too urgent or threatening? If yes, it's likely a scam. Another red flag is payment requests. Genuine tech support services won't demand immediate payment or ask for your credit card information over the phone or via email. If someone insists on payment for fixing an issue you didn't know about, it's a scam. Let's move on to verifying the source. If you receive an email or a message claiming to be from a tech company, check the sender's email address carefully. Scammers often use email addresses that look similar to official ones but have slight variations. It's always a good idea to contact the company directly using a verified phone number or website. Also, be cautious with remote access requests. Scammers might ask you to install software to give them remote access to your computer. Never allow this unless you're absolutely sure you're dealing with a legitimate tech support person. Once a scammer has remote access, they can steal your information or install harmful software. Now let's talk about what to do if you think you've been targeted by a scam. First, disconnect your device from the internet to stop any ongoing intrusion. Then run a comprehensive virus scan using reliable antivirus software. Change your passwords, especially for banking and email accounts. And finally, report the scam to the relevant authorities or the tech company involved. Remember, staying informed is your best defense against these scams. Always double-check and verify before taking any action. If something feels off, trust your instincts and do some research. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others to spread awareness. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.